Some days my mind is louder than the world, filled with questions no one ever warned me about. Am I late or right on time? Am I becoming who I'm meant to be, or just surviving what life keeps throwing? I think about the nights I doubted myself, the mornings I still showed up tired but hopeful. Life doesn't give answers up front, it gives moments and asks if you're brave enough to learn from them. I've learned that growth feels lonely before it feels powerful, that healing isn't loud, it's quiet, uncomfortable. I'm learning to stop racing the clock, to stop comparing my chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. My journey isn't late, it's loading. So when my thoughts get heavy, I remind myself, I'm still here, still trying, still becoming, and maybe that's enough for today.